At the Yellow Bird, everyday people shop for extraordinary deals on everything in our store.
We're here to serve.
And you're always greeted with a smile.
Welcome to the Yellow Bird.
Big farm-to-table fan? Then check out our locally grown fresh fruits and vegetables in the produce department.
We have big, bright melons.
No time to cook? Pick up a bucket of the best chicken in town.
Winner! Winner! Chicken dinner!
And our USDA prime meats are a cut above the rest.
You want meat? Here's the beef.
No trip to the Yellow Bird would be complete without picking up one of our delectable homemade cakes or pastries.
They're yummy and sweet and a real family treat.
But wait, there's more. Coming soon, the Yellow Bird will become an official sponsor of Scotty's Beauty Emporium.
And with every 10 dozen eggs you purchase, you'll get a free shampoo and set by me.
So come on down to the grand reopening of the Yellow Bird at Bailey Heights. We're more than just your average grocery store. We're family!